Hi guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this video is very similar to the pepper chicken that we made on the Abacha stove. This is because I made this on the same day. I used one full chicken for both meals. So you'll notice that the beginning of both videos are the same. But stick around, trust me, it gets better and more interesting. So as usual, spiced up the chicken to marinate and then let it sit for a while, and then I took it outside to the Abacha stove to cook. Yeah, so as you guys know from the other video, I was so excited to use my new turning stick. It was just brand new and shiny, and I like the fact that it doesn't like pierce the body of the meat you're cooking. It just works. It just works, as you can see. So yeah, let me know, have you cooked on Abacha stove before? Is this something you're willing to try? Does it look like something you can do? It's very nice. I love cooking with it because one, it's fast. It gives a smoky flavor, sometimes light, sometimes heavy, depending on whether you close your pot often or not, and if you're checking and you keep checking. So yes, our chicken is done. What I just did here was just to reduce what we're going to use for the peppered part, and then I left the meatier pieces that we cut into smaller bits for the pepper soup. So after this, then I'm going to add fresh pepper, onions and ginger, like I did in our other pepper soup videos. And if you've watched any of them, which I hope you have, hit the subscribe button. You'll see that the next thing I'm about to put is something I rave about, my pepper soup mix. I'm going to put a link to the video where I explained in detail about what I used for the pepper soup mix. So that is made into paste on a grinding stone, not a blender. And then you just leave that to boil and boil really well. Oh, that I use a grinding stone doesn't mean you have to. I just have the luxury of doing that. So yeah. So everything nice and yummy. Abacha stove is giving us a smoky flavor. Our chicken is seriously cooked, and then I'm adding the potatoes. But because it's pepper soup, you want everything to be super soft. So, but not soft that it turns to a pottage. You have to be careful. So you have to be careful in your mixing. Make sure that you're not pressing the food. You're just moving and shifting and making sure that every single part of it is well cooked. So that's about it. Our pepper soup is almost done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of veggies for color. Not really because I want veggies in it, but just for color. We're going to add few veggies. Ooh, some of my cute pink slippers. Hi, this life. Please hit the subscribe button. My name is MDEVAAN. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single like, every single mention. Please leave a comment below if you want to. This is the finished product. Thank you so much.